Hello. Okay, for this assignment, we're going to be reviewing that reading rule that we have this week. When the A and the R are together, the R becomes bossy, and we can only hear the R, right? It sounds like its name. We don't really hear the A. So the R takes control, and we hear the R sound. We're going to go over some words, so when I point at them, I want you to read them with me as well, okay? Car, jar. Do you notice that all of these have that R sound? Car, jar, harp, barn, bark, star, card, arm, farm, yarn, shark, cart, scarf, yard, farmer. We haven't gone over this one, but I want to point out to you, there's another bossy R here. The R over here doesn't let the E say its name either, and it just sounds like Farm, R, So here we hear R, and here we hear farm, dart, sharp, art, artist, artist, art, chart, arch, arch, far, park, garden, garden, and tart. So what you're going to do is you are going to highlight all those R sounds for me, okay? So for example, I see the R right here, so you're going to highlight it for me. This is a bad color I chose because it's kind of a little too dark. You get to choose the color, but make sure that you're using your highlighter and not your pen, okay? Mine's a little too dark. You want to use the pen that's not very dark that you can still see through. So you're going to mark all of the R's. If it doesn't work out, just underline it for me. R, 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 R. Okay, you get the idea. So you're going to go and search all the R parts for me on here. And then you're going to try to read all the words on your own. Okay? After you're done with that one, you're going to go to your next sheet over here. Let me erase those. You're going to go to your next sheet. And here you are going to segment. That means when we break the sounds, we try to hear all the sounds that are in this word. And each box, just like we practice in class, you're going to write the letters that match those sounds inside of the boxes. Let's try one together. Barn. So I hear B, R, N, barn. B, R, N, barn. I hear the B first. B. And then at the end I hear N. But I'm missing one sound. B, R sound. Okay. Barn. I know those look a little... I can do better, can I? I can do better in my writing. Just like I always want you to do your best, I can do my best too. Barn. Let's do one more together. Jar. Jar. How many sounds? J, R. Jar. J, R. What sound do we hear first? J, J. So I hear J, R. And we know that the A and the R sound like R. R. Jar. All right, let's do one last one together and then you're going to get to work. This is an instrument. It's called a harp when it's really big. And when you pull those strings, sometimes they show Cupid, from Valentine's Day. Sometimes he's holding it. And when you pull the strings, it makes a beautiful sound. Alrighty, harp. Let's see how many sounds in harp. R, harp. R, harp. I hear R, harp, harp. Okay, so now we've written the words barn, jar, and harp. You are going to go ahead and do the rest of them, okay? So you're going to do the rest of them. Make sure to write these in on your page also. Make sure to write these in on your page. And then you finish the rest of them on your own. Alrighty, guys.